So it's that time of the year again. I'm making up my big jar of immune support syrup. Sometimes I do it other parts of the year, but I make sure I have it daily during the colder seasons when everyone is sniffling and coughing. So anyway, I basically cut up raw organic lemons, ginger, onions, garlic, and then I add some thyme. I add turmeric and black pepper, and I just push that all down into the jar and squeeze it as tight as I can. And then I pour raw honey over all of it. This has been sitting for about 3 days, so now I'm straining it off. Y'all, this is loaded, it's powerful, and it's really easy for the kids to take because it's sweet. You can see what it looks like here. It's not too thick, it's not too watery. Let me know if you give this a try, and yeah,